Girls, here is Miss Fatma again. I hope you watched the previous video so you can follow me easily this time. We will continue our science lesson about animal habitats, but let's look at some vocabulary words we will need for this lesson. Habitat, predator, extinct, prey. As we said last time, habitats means a place where something lives. A habitat is the surroundings in which an animal lives. Predator, an animal that hunts other animals, like the lion. Prey, which means an animal that is hunted and eaten by another animal. Extinct, there are no more of that species animal left in the world. The most common cause of extinction is a sudden or serious change in the habitat for this animal. Many things can change their habitat. Floods, fires, droughts, volcanoes, and other natural events may be caused. People also change the environment in ways that affect animals in a bad way. Extinct animal like dinosaur. So this kind of animals are no more left in the world. Can you recognize this picture? Do you still remember? Yes, it's a map. Here where you can see different habitats around the world, habitats in hot or cold places. Like you can see here, the polar bear lives in these blue areas. We will see it later in the Arctic. And what else here you can see a lion lives in these places, and even sea turtle here. Let's go and figure it out. A habitat is a natural environment that an animal lives in. A habitat provides animals with important things like food, shelter, safe place to raise their young. I want you to think, what do you think dogs need in a habitat? They need water, den, and prey. Water to stay hydrated in all conditions. Prey such as mice, rabbits, and other small animals are caught and eaten by wild dogs. Pet dogs are fed a diet of either dry food or meat by their owners. They also need a den to feel safe in. In the wild, this is a warm, dry place like a cave, but for a pet dog, this would be a crate or bed. This means wild dogs are best suited to living in places where there is plenty of water and caves to stay dry in. Okay, what about foxes? What do foxes need in a habitat? They need water, den, and prey. We said water to stay hydrated in all conditions, prey such as birds and mice, which means they will eat almost anything like insects, earthworms, fruit, berries, and food waste left by humans. Den to live in. This is usually to hole under the ground. Foxes are best suited in living in places where there is plenty of water, prey, and somewhere for them to make a den such as a forest, so they live in the forest. What about panda? What do pandas need in a habitat? Food, water, camouflage. Food and water to stay healthy and hydrated in all conditions. Both come from bamboo, which grows in cool forests. They also eat other plants and even small rodents. Camouflage to hide in. So pandas are best suited to living in places where there is plenty of bamboo